Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to sort A to Z in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Google Workspace or Google Sheets, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, sorting data from A to Z in Google Sheets is a straightforward and can be done using the built-in sorting functionality. Now, sorting data alphabetically makes it easier to find specific information quickly because users can locate names, products, or categories in a logical sequence without scanning through unsorted data. And of course, it imposes a clear and consistent order on your data. This is particularly used for lists of names, titles, or any categorical data where a natural alphabetical order exists. Now, for you to be able to do that, I want you to hover to where it says data and create a filter. But of course, you have to select the row and column. For example, this one, I'm choosing A, data, and create a filter. Now, you see, it has like a drop-down menu. Others doesn't have, right? This one right here. All I'm gonna do is sort A to Z. Got that? Now it started from A, O until S, and then if you wanted to revert it back, you can simply click on the sort Z to A. Now the thing is, you can also want to cancel. For example, you're not happy with the settings, just click on cancel. All right. But again, just sort A to Z. Another option is click the B1 and you see go to data. You see there's an option that says sort sheet by column B by A to Z. All right, so this one has been sorted from A to Z and the column B. Now doing this will allow you to quickly filter or subtotal specific subdata, improving manipulation and capabilities because users now can navigate sorted data, giving a clearer options for choices, which aids in decision-making processes. For example, customer names allows to sales team to prioritize follow-ups by sorting out here. All I gotta do is, again, apply a data and create a filter right here. And then, of course, you can simply sort from A to Z. All right. When entering a new data, sorting data exists alphabetically helps maintain order and consistency, reducing the need for manual adjustments and ensures data is entered in the correct sequence. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.